My name is Mauricio Subieta. I am the Energy CTO, and I lead the Industrial Cybersecurity Program for the Energy segment here at Nokia. Today, I will be talking about security automation and quantum-safe encryption, how that applies to the energy segment, and how we can help the utilities, especially in this area, to deploy technologies that Nokia has in order to meet these requirements. Security automation is very important nowadays, especially with the number of threats that we're receiving from the outside world. Detecting, investigating, and acting upon a threat is much safer if it's done by a computer rather than human because of human error. And with these new technologies and with the amount of information and the attacks that we're receiving, it is also not realistic that humans can do it. Coupled to that, we can use quantum-safe networks, which rely on quantum-safe encryption keys and asymmetric keys, which allow the information to be really secure, especially when it's starting to be harvested by many threat actors, and they are storing it until they can decrypt it successfully using quantum computers in the future. So in order to meet this and avoid these problems, we have technologies that we can start deploying now to avoid and to secure the networks. So how can utilities do it? Utilities have been deploying IP networks, optical networks, microwave networks for the longest time in order to move and do the digitalization process. With this, they have the experience and the advantage of knowing how to do this and encrypting the traffic from the very beginning. It is important that they start looking into these technologies now in a multi-layered fashion so that they can start covering not only from the physical layer, but all the way to the application layer. And this is truly important with the actual advent of the quantum-safe or the quantum computing threats. With this, Nokia has had this tradition of bringing the equipment from legacy networks to the latest and newest optical coherent routing, for example, where we support the utilities in the path of deploying these networks, and we ensure that they are also deployed in order to meet the compliance and regulatory requirements that are coupled to that. So from that perspective, we have the portfolio going from layer one, all the applications layer that we can support not only quantum-safe encryption, we can support symmetric keys, we can support all kinds of multi-layer and defense in-depth concepts and deployments, and we are really happy to continue this conversation with our utility customers.